Hello, it is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is an overdue unboxing video of products that I purchased from close to my heart the end of August and received the 1st of September. I just hadn't had an opportunity to share the contents of this box until now, and everything that is in this box is still available. I checked on the website, plus I am a close to my heart maker consultant. If you see anything in here that sparks an interest and you do not have a maker or consultant, I would love to have you as a customer. I will have the link listed below where you can shop through me over at Close to My Heart to purchase some products. So I'm going to flip this box because I don't have enough room to open up the lid the other way, and scoot this over, and voila, look what I purchased. I don't have a lot of papers in here, but I did purchase some papers, and we'll just get started here on the left hand side with these stamps. So we have a new color called Harbor, and it is a water-based dye ink, and I'm going to show you where I stamped out samples. Then we have Mocha, and this is a water-based dye ink as well. And then we have Rosemary, and this is a water-based dye ink. And here is a closer look of the colors, but I just kind of was drawn to those 3 new colors that were released in August. Then we have some stamps here, and this one is called Perfectly Imperfect Patterns, and I'll take it out of the envelope for you, but you'll still probably get some glare. I just love this stamp for backgrounds. So we have some confetti-like type, then a checkerboard, and these would be like raindrops to me. And then you have these like paint swatches of different types or kissing technique. And then we have some dots that look kind of mimic the sky, I think, or constellations. And then we have some dashes here, some circles, slashes, and hearts, and then this little burst of flower right there. And then this one is called Oh Boy, and I have the stamp and thin cut on this one, and it is smaller, but it's great for layering. When it comes to like the people stamps, I do like both larger and smaller, but I do find it easier. Let me see if we can get this here. For clustering, and that is to work with the smaller little people characters. And then I have the die cut there, which makes that easy. Or thin cuts, I call them dies. Then I purchased this date stamp because last year I made like 2 calendars to give away for Christmas gifts, and I wanted to do more to give to family and friends, but I purchased them too late. So I have, I think, 4 calendars to create for this year. And then I love this here, like library card. I remember back in the day that the manufacturers made those, and they were in lots of collections or in packs, and you don't see that, but I love that as journaling. I just do. I've always liked that. And tucking in. They do have another set that has this, and I forgot what else, and it comes with a die cut, but I did not get that because I was just focusing on using these for my calendar. And this is a large enough piece that fussy cutting that out is no big deal. So I got 3 stamps, 3 ink pads, and then I got 4 new shimmer trim, and we have the candy apple. Can you see that? I'll bring it up closer. Again, getting ready for the holidays. And here is the clover, love that green. Can you see that? Green. So this is getting ready for Christmas. I think these shimmer trim are a must staple in your stash. I'm telling you, it doesn't matter what type of layout you're doing, it just adds that little bit of pizzazz. You think it might be color is papaya, and there's also a stamp, and I thought this color would be perfect for autumn layout. And then they have the new rose gold. Love that. So next in my box, we have the new Sequence Wild Berry, which this has a new ink pad, and I think that is our color for the year. And I will probably be purchasing that soon. I did not purchase it with my October order, but I will soon. And I also purchased the glitter gems. I love this color. We have some new wood veneer and acrylic pieces. And now the acrylic pieces are much thinner. Hearts, stars, arrows, buttons, flowers, numbers, and I think alphas as well. I think I'm going to go with all white, and I am going to play around with my Close to My Heart inks and let you know how well that it colors and how long it takes for it to dry on the acrylic pieces. But we're going to play around with that. Okay, I apologize for the interruption and the pause in my video, but someone was at my door and my dog was alerting me with his barking. So the next product that I would like to share with you that Close to My Heart is now carrying is these colored pens. There are a lot more selection. For now, I picked up sepia, navy, and teal. So this is great if you outline your papers to make them stand out rather than inking them. So anyway, I look forward to using these pens and seeing what I can do. I'm going to place this aside for now. And I purchased pack 2 of the new stencils released. And so we have the circles, if you can see that. If not, I'll bring out another paper here in a minute. Can you see the circles there? Yeah. So there's the circles. And then we have the stars. See the stars? And then against there, if you can see it. I don't know if you can. All right. And I can't see the camera to know. And then this other, I don't know, like mosaic pattern. I'm not sure what you call this. Kind of got a flower in the middle. And then we have smaller stencils. So you got to go check that out. We have a couple new acrylic blocks. And the one that I picked up is 1 inch by 1.5 inches. We have a new one that is 4 inches by 4 inches. But so far, I've just picked this one up. We have some new wood grain paper. And you know what I'm going to do now is I am going to take these papers out of here and remove this box. All right, now I'm going to show you the paper. And this is the new wood grain paper collection from Close to My Heart. And we have, this is the wood grain, and then this is the white. Love it. So when you pick up this paper pack, you get 2 of each. So that's the front and the back. Slide this over, and then look at this one. I love this. The brownish gray tone. And then the back side is that gorgeous wood grain right there. Now this one is that red tone, and I may struggle with using this, but we're going to give it a try. And then this other wood grain, I forgot what you refer to that color. So that's the wood grain. And then the next specialty specialty paper I picked up was the rose gold foil. Last year we had silver and gold, and we have silver and gold again with new patterns, but I just picked up the rose gold. Love it, and it is one-sided because of the foiling. And then we also have this wonky dot paper in the rose gold foiling, and like I said, it's one-sided. We have the stripe, we have bows, we have a geometric, and then we have like a plaid. And that's the patterns in the rose gold. The gold and the silver have different patterns in them, so you won't get the same pattern. So it's cool to pick up the other colors as well. The next new collection I'd like to show you is the Love Story. You can purchase each of the colors that are available separately, or you can get all of it together. So I'm going to show you the black, then we have mink, and we have toffee. And then the sticker sheets have foil on them, and I only picked up the black paper. So you can get the sticker sheet with the pattern paper, or you can just get the pattern paper. So I only got the Love Story in black of pattern paper. So we have this front side is this flower, and the back side are these smaller flowers. So we have these large flowers, and then these little starburst flowers is what I call them. And then we have these triangle patterns, almost like a fence. We have, ooh, that's probably hard on the eyes and the camera. We have this stripe pattern with these lines going across and then dots at the end. And there's probably a name for that pattern, but I don't know. And then we have the little diamond together. Then we have this pattern paper. So I've shown you both the A and B side of the pattern paper. And there's several papers in here. And again, I only picked up the papers. I didn't pick up the sticker sheet and paper. So as we grow, and I will show you the A side and then the B side. So this is a beautiful teal with blues and your burnt kind of red or brick red color, and some white, and then some mustard color, and then like a pale yellow. The opposite side is that rosemary color, and then we have a like a light pink purple and an orange and pink and white and blue. Featured colors are charcoal, glacier, harbor, oh that's what that is, harbor, linen, mocha, mulberry, New England ivy, papaya, paprika, sangria, sapphire, scarlet, and shortbread, and daisy white. And then that's the back side. Then this is like a checkered or a gingham pattern paper. I'm sorry, this is a gingham. And that's a gorgeous blue. And then there's the yellow. So this is probably that new color shortbread, this yellow. That's what that new yellow color is. And I would say that this is probably that harbor. And then there's the charcoal. It's kind of got like a wood grain effect to it. And then there's the charcoal, and that real red color there is going to be the, I think the sangria. Now here, this would be the New England type color. with the Harbor and the Daisy white cardstock, and this one right here, maybe that's the Glacier right there color. I should know this better, shouldn't I? I apologize. And then here we got another pattern paper, and then that flower. This goes perfect with that. The A side, and then we have that side. One more collection, guys. And now we have the Holly and Ivy Christmas collection. And this one I did pick up the sticker and pattern paper. This is what I would refer to as your traditional Christmas colors. And since it's been a couple of years since I've used traditional for all my Christmas layouts, I decided this year it's going to be traditional. So we have the hollies and succulents. We have hollies and berries and bows and pine cones in here. I love this red striped paper. The opposite is this paper with the taupe and off-white. Oops. Then we have our deer paper here with fawns on it. Bucks, does, and fawns. Love it. And then this is a nice bright red word paper. And then you can buy additional embellishments or kits to go with this, and I bought this glitter icon papers, and so here is green succulent leaves and holly leaves. Then we have the deer with some succulent and flowers, and this is the red glitter glitter paper. And we have swirlies and bows and flowers and dots. That is that. That is it for this kit. I know this was probably a very long video. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So subscribe, give a thumbs up, and keep coming back and see what I create with all this goodness that I have shared with you today. All right, we'll see you next time. Oh, and don't forget to get out those photographs and document those memories in a fun, creative way, and we will see you next time.